You are the man behind TAXIBOX,
Yeah,
which is a successful business, which I believe now has offices in Melbourne, Brisbane and Sydney. So
Correct,
you're covering the eastern seaboard. What is TAXIBOX?
Absolutely, and for buyers and sellers, this is a bonus edition.
Correct.
Because they just came to think, well, this guy's bid against himself is so unbelievable.
Yeah. Viewers just thought we had a madman on, but actually it's a madman with a business.
It is, and the madman with a brilliant bidding strategy.
Traditionally, you'd go to a self-storage, you'd put the stuff in your boot of your car, you'd be going backwards and forwards, painful experience. Now, Ben, through TAXIBOX, delivers essentially a box to your front door.
Yep.
You load into the box is taken away and then brought back to your new house or back to your existing house. I think it's the most seamless, brilliant thing that is just so simple. Your service levels are excellent. We know that because we've used you.
Yeah.
Recommended you,
The ability to get the stuff from people's home to your warehouse onto the next one, it's a very seamless experience.